assemble your princess playhouse. Your little ones will have so much fun playing in this tent. Start by setting up the poles. You'll receive 4 support poles with your tent. Remove the support poles from the provided bag. With a little help, they'll pop right into place. Once the poles are ready, now you can pull out your tent. Warning, be careful before opening the tent because it might uncoil suddenly. Quick tip, once the tent is out, I like to roll up the door flap to keep it out of the way. On the floor of the tent, you'll find 4 small pockets for the ends of the poles to fit into. In the top section of the tent, you'll find 4 bigger pockets for the other ends of the poles to fit into. Starting with the poles closest to the door, simply reach in and fit the end of the pole into the smaller pockets on the floor. Then fit the other end of the pole into the top pockets. Now, where the pole bends, simply line it up with the provided ties on the inside of the tent. Tie it up and secure it in place. Repeat this process on the other side of the doorway. Once the front poles are installed, we recommend climbing inside the tent to install the last 2. Repeat the same process for these poles, attaching them in the bottom and in the top pockets, and then lining it up at the bend and tying them in place. Once you've installed the poles, your tent is ready to go.